Welcome to day 15 of your 30-day yoga challenge. Today we will be working on backbends or heart openers as they are often called in yoga. Let's begin in thunderbolt position, sitting on the heels, hands on the thighs. Take a big breath in and a slow breath out. Inhale fully into the chest, back and side ribs. And exhale, draw the ribs and navel into the spine. One more big inhale into the rib cage. And exhale, draw the navel into the spine. With your next inhale, lift your chest up, pull your shoulders back, look up. Exhale, round the back, drop your chin to the chest, navel into the spine. Inhale, open your heart, pull your shoulders back. And exhale, round the back, drop your chin down. Inhale to open. Exhale, round, widen the shoulder blades. One more inhale. And exhale. Come back to neutral position. Place fingertips on top of your shoulders. With inhale, lift your elbows up. Exhale, roll them back and down. Inhale up. And exhale down a few more times with your breath, warming up the shoulders, opening the front of the body. Inhale, reach your arms up to the sky, lengthen. Exhale, hands down for child's pose. Knees stay together or wider apart. Walk your hands far forward, finding the length in the spine. Big breath in, creating space in the rib cage. Exhale, soften the body towards the mat. Walk your hands to the left, reach your right arm far forward. 2 big breaths. Switch sides, walk your hands to the right, reach your left arm far forward. Breathe. Come back to center, walk your hands far forward as far as you can for 1 breath. And then come up to your hands and knees. Tuck your toes underneath and lift the hips into high plank. Make sure your hips are not sinking too low and not staying too high. Your body is approximately in one line. Just a few breaths, pressing the floor away with your hands. Inhale in plank. And exhale, press back into downward facing dog. You can walk your feet out, shake your head, make any movement that feels nice to wake up your legs. And come to stillness. With inhale, roll forward into plank, shoulders above the wrists. Exhale, lower down to the belly with control in one line or with your knees down. Point your feet. Press the tops of the feet, pubic bone into the mat. Bring your hands behind your head. With inhale, lift your upper body and arms from the mat. Exhale, release down. Inhale, lift, widen the elbows, keep pressing your feet and pubic bone down. Exhale, release. 3 more. Inhale, engage the back of the body. Exhale, release. Inhale. Exhale. Last time, lift as high as you can. Inhale. And exhale, release. Place your hands underneath the shoulders. Press yourself up through tabletop into downward facing dog. Then bring your left foot forward into low lunge. Drop your back knee down. Press your front foot and back shin into the mat. Slightly lengthen the tailbone down, pull your hip bones and bottom ribs together to create neutral spine position. And then gently press the hips forward as far as you need to find that stretch on the front of the hip and thigh. Reach your arms up to the sky with palms facing each other. Then bend the elbows for cactus arm shape and lift up more through the chest. Pull your elbows wide apart, adding a bit more of a backbend shape. Chest lifting up, hips sinking down. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, hands to the mat. Step your left foot back and switch sides. Bring your right foot forward, drop your back knee down, set up for low lunge. Find your neutral lower back position, lift up through the lower belly, lengthen the tailbone down, and gently press the hips forward as far as you need to feel the stretch. Reach arms up to the sky. Take a few breaths, reaching up through the fingertips, feeling length in the spine. Then bend your elbows, lift your heart a little higher, pull your shoulder blades together, breathe into the front of the body. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, hands down. Step back to downward facing dog. Inhale, roll forward into plank. Exhale, lower down to the belly. Point your feet again. Place your fingertips on shoulder height, a little wider than your mat. Keep pressing the tops of the feet and pubic bone into the mat. With inhale, lift your chest as far as comfortable for your lower back. Exhale, release down. Inhale, lift your chest, open the front body, and exhale, release to the mat. Keep going a few more times with your breaths, coming as high as comfortable for your back. If keeping the fingertips down doesn't feel right, you can keep your palms down instead. Press your palms into the floor. One more time. With inhale, roll your upper body up. And exhale, slowly release down. Straighten your right arm out to the side, palm down on the floor. Roll over to the right side to find the stretch in the front of your right shoulder. Your legs can stay straight, or you can also bend your top leg, place the foot down for a bit more hip opening. Stay for a few more breaths. Roll back to center and switch sides. Straighten your left arm out to the side. Roll over to the left side to find that shoulder stretch. Find a comfortable position for your legs and stay. Breathe. Roll back to center, place your hands underneath your shoulders and slowly press yourself up into downward facing dog. One more big back bend, upward facing dog. Roll forward into high plank and let your hips drop down towards the floor. Untuck your toes to point your feet, press your hands down into the mat. Lift up through the heart, pull your shoulders back. Try to keep your thighs off the mat. One more breath. And slowly release your knees down. Sit back to your heels. Inhale, reach arms up to the sky. Exhale, twist to the left. Look back over the left shoulder. Take one breath in and out. Inhale back to center, reach your arms up. Exhale, twist to the right. One breath here. Come back to center, inhale. Exhale, release your arms and interlace fingers behind the lower back. Just like we did a few days ago, you can stay here. Focus on stretching the shoulders, pulling your hands away from the lower back. Or come into child's pose. Lower your forehead to the mat. Few more breaths. Then release your hands and extend your arms forward in child's pose. Release your forehead to the mat. Soften the whole body. Let it sink heavy towards the mat. Take one more deeper breath. Inhale. Exhale. Walk your hands back. Sit upright. Close your eyes. Inhale, reach your arms up to the sky. Exhale, palms to your heart. And open the eyes to finish your practice. I hope you enjoyed the class today. Let me know in the comments if you did. And I will see you tomorrow for day 16. Bye!